go. This is a shack. Got a bite. I got one already.
Lost my fishing rod down the holes.
I think this is actually gonna work. What's up? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going ice fishing. My buddy and I, we recently built an ice fishing shack. That's where I'm headed to today. We put it on the river. We fish smelt. Another thing I wanted to talk about is I haven't been like super consistent with like the type of content that I've been posting. Moving forward, my goal is to be more specific in what I'm doing. Basically, the videos will probably be about fishing, maybe a little bit of hunting, outdoor stuff, camping. Love to do like some dirt biking stuff. So I'm probably not just gonna throw up like a random video of just drone shots of a random spot. Like I'll try to keep it more like vlog style, outdoors related. One more thing, if you guys saw my last video, I've been getting a lot of mixed feedback about it. Actually got the idea from a channel name is Rody. He used to do like a whole bunch of outdoor fishing stuff, really cool videos, but he did a couple of videos that were kind of like just jokes, basically what I did. That's where I got the idea from. But yeah, this is the van that I used in the video. As you can see, I bought this van not too long ago, and I'm actually really looking forward to using this van for that type of stuff. Not so exaggerated like it was, but I want to do some camping, I want to go on some fishing trips, do some dirt bike adventure stuff, and I want to use this van for that. But that was just a video I thought it'd be funny to throw up there. Kind of related to camping, but a little bit exaggerated, obviously. But for those of you who didn't realize that it was a joke, yeah, it was just a joke. Enough talking, I'll see you guys when we get to the river. And I also brought this big sucker for breaking up the ice, since we lost the old one. Got everything I need, let's go. Might be wondering why I didn't just drive out. There are trucks out there on the ice right now, but right down here, there's a bunch of water and it's been pretty warm the past few days. That's one of the drawbacks of not having my truck anymore, the minivan. You just can't do what you could with the truck, but that's okay. I'd probably be all right, but I don't want to risk it. But yeah, right here, there's a big wet spot. We actually built the shack in his backyard, and they drug it all the way around, so it's really close. People have been making fun of our shack because we built it so freaking tall. We didn't really need to, but it's kind of funny. We keep making jokes. We're gonna put a loft in it now, put 2 stories in it. So this is the shack. Lots of windows in here. But as you can see, it's pretty tall. Because I'm 6'4", and I still got lots of room up above me. I had the old pole sitting over here, and it fell down into here. Got a nice big hole. I don't have to break it open because it has been that cold. So yeah, there's the beast. This is the shack. It's awesome. I don't really need the heat right now, but I'll get her nice and toasty in here anyway. Turn that on. Next thing, I'm going to tie this rope up to the shack so that pole doesn't fall down again. There you go, perfect. How's she going?
Good. I just lost my fishing rod down the hole, so if you catch a fishing rod, it's mine.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Just fell right down?
No, it was laying across the chair. I was cutting bait.
All of a sudden, man.
Something grabbed it, hauled it off the chair, and before I could get a hold of it, it was gone in the water and down out of sight.
No way.
It wasn't a smell. It happened to hook one going up anyway.
I might as well get these rods hooked up and get down fishing. That's too bad that guy lost his rod. Well, at least the fish are biting if there was one big enough to pull his rod right off the chair. Number 1, number 2. Oh, got a bite. I got one already. So that's a smelt right there, guys. These things are actually really tasty. A lot of times you can catch them small enough, fry them up and eat them like that. Jake caught this nice big one here the other day. Let's get this one back down the hole. Looks like the fish are biting. Looks like I got one. Get a bite on this one. I'm getting lots of bites, but I think a lot of times they're just small. They're not actually setting the hook. Ice fishing's pretty fun though. It's nice and relaxing. It's really nice here too because the sun sets down there and the sun shines in here later in the day. It's really nice. There's quite a few shacks here too. Shacks over there. Hey!
How you doing?
Good, how's it going?
I'm Tom.
Tom?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you too.
Did you
Good size shack, isn't it? Huh?
It's a little tall, but
Oh well.
we didn't really know what we were doing. We just kind of threw it together, so.
My first one was big too.
Yeah.
Massive.
Yeah.
Yeah, one guy got a fishing rod taken and everything else.
That's what he was telling me. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
So that guy is like the president down here. I think he like just looks after the place and organizes everything, which is pretty cool. I'm going to try and throw some marshmallows on this line and keep the bacon on that one. I caught some fish on marshmallows the other day. The big old bag here. Oh, I got another one. Yippee-yi-yo. Just barely hooked him. He's not even hooked, he's just biting onto the bacon. Like I was saying, I'm going to continue on with my next project. Can you guys guess what it is? This is it. I am going to install this hammock inside the shack. It's gonna be hilarious. I have no idea if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try my best. The plan is to hook the hammock from there to there. Alright, I don't know how high it should be. I'm just gonna guess. Sorry guys, I made a mess. This is hilarious. Throw up this other bolt. Grab my wrenches. I'm gonna tie the hammock right here. Alright. Looks good enough for me. I think this might actually work. Just gotta get this one tied real tight. I think that's gonna work. Okay guys, this looks hilarious. I got my rods there, hammock in the shack. This is too good. People are gonna think I'm crazy. Let's see if it actually holds my weight. Oh man, I'm kind of nervous. This is really friggin' flimsy. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. This is hilarious. This is actually really comfy. Oh man, this is great. Oh, you gotta go real slow when you get into this thing. She feels like she's gonna fall apart. I don't know how old this thing is. I got a freaking nap right here. Oh man, this is actually super comfortable. Should have done this a long time ago. This is hilarious. Oh man. This is so ridiculous. There's no need for this, but I love it. Oh yeah, to touch on the last video that I did, I wasn't making fun of van life camping, like van camping at all. I actually think it's super cool and I want to do a bunch of it. So yeah, I wasn't trying to offend anybody with that video. I just thought it was funny. And I'm a huge supporter of that lifestyle. Oh, hit on the marshmallow. Come on, I just want to catch one fish in the hammock. It'd be hilarious. People probably think I'm crazy talking to myself in here. These walls are paper thin, they can definitely hear me. This is an old hammock I found. I don't even know where I found this thing. But it's definitely not solid. Oh, is that a bite? Bite on the marshmallow. Oh, nice. Come on. Yes, baby. That actually looks pretty good. Whoo, baby. What more do you want?
Hi, how are you?
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Not too much, how are you?
Pretty good. Yeah, I got a surprise in the shack for you.
What'd you get?
I got something to show you.
Okay, sounds good. I better not be going down there for no reason tonight.
This is what I'm talking about. I think I'm gonna hang around till Jake gets here because I just want to see his reaction. Jake's dad goes out in the woods and they get, I think this is chaga. They get chaga. It's I think it's a fungus or a type of mushroom that grows in birch trees. And you harvest it in the wintertime. They make tea with it. It's supposed to be really, really good for you. Like, it's supposed to be good for like healing. Oh, there's a little spider on it. It's like really earthy. It's like really, really dark, but it's so good. Jake gave me some the other day. Shacks are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Probably have 40 fishing shacks here. This is so slippery. Looks like we're gonna have to jack ours up soon. Yeah, this river system is massive. It just goes for miles and miles. We also fish it in the this same river all summer. Top layer of the ice is all melted. Look at this funny picture on the back of this ice fishing shack. That's funny. That freaking hammock. That's hilarious. Well, I'm gonna end the video there. Had a great day out here ice fishing. Set up the hammock. I got a new ice breaking rod in the shack. It's nice and warm in here, just relaxing in the hammock. I don't know what the next video is going to be, but I'll see you guys then. Jake just rolled up to the beach. I can't wait to see his reaction.
Oh, that is awesome. That's so cool.
Watch this. This is so freaking relaxing, man.
It's really hot in here, eh?
Oh yeah, well I covered up the hole. I'm not even fishing. Dude, I've been sitting here, the sun's peeking through, I'm just like so relaxed. I had this cheap old hammock at home and I was like, man, I'm freaking putting that up in the shack.
No, Brady, you gotta try this.
You gotta go down slow because she's a pretty weak hammock.
Oh yeah, jeez.
She's bottomable.
It's just strings, man. It's just strings, man.
She's not top of the line by any means.
I like that.
Yeah, I was actually fishing in it earlier.
Really?
Yeah.
I like this a lot.
Yeah, I thought that'd be funny to get your reaction to it on video.
Oh, sweet, man. Well, anyways, I gotta go back home now.
Yeah. It's awesome. Someone's got some studded tires.
What?
Oh, I'm just talking to the camera.